figure it's loud enough now, so we know what to do. When you get it loud, time to make it pretty.
Yes, sir.
It'll probably last for a month baiting on it like that. So.
Yeah, it's so loud. Yes, sir. 6.5 order.
Yes, sir. Yep. 6.5.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Can I shut the door? Keep it open or closed?
We'll close that one first.
All right. Could you shut it for a minute? Shut the door for a minute? Yeah. There we go. So what all did you do since a couple months ago? You been doing a lot of testing to it, or?
Yeah, I added 2 cubes to the rear chamber.
Okay.
I changed the front port. It was a horizontal.
Yep.
Well, it was a vertical port before. Now it's got a horizontal port with a big round over. Helped amazingly. I switched to external regulated alternators.
Okay.
And bumped the charging voltage up to 15.3.
Yep. There you go.
Yeah, it's nice. Real good. The lowest I ever see now is 14.9. So.
Really?
Yeah,
oh man, awesome. Are you happy with the build?
It's getting there. It's best number to date so far. It's just 162.5.
Yep.
It's good for now. I'm working on the mids and highs right now as we're going building the door panels. As soon as that's done, it'll be better. I got to do a lot of fiberglass work to.
That's right.
inside.
Yeah, make it look pretty afterward.
Yeah.
Yep.
I figure it's loud enough now, so we know what to do. When you get it loud, time to make it pretty.
Yes,
It'll
sir.
probably last for a month baiting on it like that. So.
Yeah, it's so loud. Yes, sir. 6.5 order.
Yes, sir. Yep. 6.5.
Yes, sir. Awesome. All right.
It's got a crazy range. I mean, lately I've been playing anywhere from 18 hertz to 65 hertz.
Really? And it's just playing at all authority. Wow.
Yeah, I can give you. I've got a song here with 19 to 65.
Ooh, that's a good demo song, man.
Yeah, I can give it to you right now.
Okay, sure. Does it do best with one door open and the other one closed, or what?
Yeah, for the lows, yeah.
But it's
It'll be better, yeah.
Okay. Doors are looking good too.
Yeah, they're in the middle of getting made. They'll be done soon.
Okay. Yeah, we're good. We got it.
Yeah, I broke that handle again today, so I don't screw up.
Not many people do builds like this, where you have the 6.5. Most are 6 orders.
Yeah, I wanted the best of both worlds. I wanted bandwidth, but I also wanted to be able to play with both doors open. So it's a lot more stable with both doors open. I
Yes,
give
sir.
it back. Yeah.
Okay.
The traditional 6 order I had before, both doors
Slopes
open,
out a lot.
it was a little funky.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Out in the cold area is better.
Awesome.
Cause I know it ain't no you. 'Cause I know it ain't no joke. Never let it ruin me. But I feel like ruin me. Hope to never close and keep it on. Cause I know it ain't no you and me. Keep your nods up, you know that you should know. And let it go with the spirit, I know I own another love clothes and you back into the zone. With no time to bring it home. I never not a fight on the front line with a call. Fight the pain, wrong, and you
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.